Can you guys imagine a trading platform so intuitive that it feels like an extension to your existence? Ready to experience trading redefined? Well, welcome to what is known as IFEX Capital. Let's get into it. Please keep in mind, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I would like to introduce you to what is known as IFEX Capital. All right. If you guys don't know anything about this, we are talking about a CFD trading platform that offers many different assets. So what are we talking about? Well, if we actually take a look here, you guys can see we got Forex, we got stocks, we got crypto, we got indices, we got metals, and we have energy. And if we actually take a look right over here, you guys, in the about section, we're talking about right here, you guys will see if you scroll down, you'll see that they literally have over 250 global assets. And you guys, they literally have fast execution. We're talking about 0.04 seconds. They have tight spreads from 0.7 pips and leverage up to 500 to 1 for their professional clients. And you guys, this also combines real-time market insights with a customizable and secure trading experience. All right, which is actually pretty cool. So whether you're a beginner or let's say you are a pro, IFEX Capital helps you trade top trending assets with confidence and obviously with regulatory assurance. Okay, that is what we like to hear. I'll log in here, right? Because I actually already have my information, right? I'm just going to sign in. But you guys will see right here, you can literally go to what is known as deposits, right? So this is pretty easy and simple. Okay, got to give it a second here. Not only that, but I also want you guys to understand for the withdrawals, I mean, these are pretty quick as well, okay? So you guys need to understand for withdrawals, they are secure, verified, policy-driven. So IFEX Capital ensures fast, compliant, and secure withdrawals directly to your original deposit source, all right? And they do have strict AML checks and clear processing guidelines, obviously, in the client area, okay? So you guys can see that right here. So pretty cool. I like that. Okay. So pretty awesome. So to get yourself started, once again, you guys go up there, sign up. You can click right here for that trade now button. Okay. And you guys will see how easy and simple this is. Once again, you're going to be able to dive down, right? We have trading accounts. So you can even open up a demo. All right. Which is pretty cool. Okay. And you guys can see that silver, right? Pretty easy and simple. Not only that, we have payments, right? You guys can see that. We have documents, we got statements, right? We even have the name, profile, all that stuff right here as well, okay? And you can even change the background here, which is pretty awesome. All right, you guys. So get yourself started. Go to deposit. Once again, diversified asset, right? Portfolio. Literally, you could trade over 250 plus global CFDs, as we briefly mentioned. You could choose from 4 different account types, right? 4, okay? So if we just kind of dive down into this, I want you guys to understand, I mean, the platform here, you guys, we're talking about a user-friendly platform that ensures smooth and reliable trading, right? Provides a great experience. It delivers real-time market insights to ensure informed and dependable trading actions, okay? And obviously, you guys, the overall interface here, I want you guys to understand it was designed with 2 type of traders in mind, right? So we're talking about beginners and experienced traders. So they do offer an intuitive trading experience, which is actually really cool. And you guys will see right here, we have crypto, commodities, stocks, indices, and Forex, along with, a lot of different other things, right? 250 plus assets as mentioned, which is pretty important here, okay? Now let's talk about this, okay, you guys? I need you guys to understand, looky here, okay? So the spreads and the leverage here, these are unreal, you guys. The spreads are starting at 0.7 pips, okay? And we got flexible leverage, okay? So we're talking about leverage options. They vary by account type, and we'll talk about that here in a few moments. You guys will see it right here, many different type of accounts, okay? But I want you guys to understand that we're talking about literally up to, say, 1 to 400 available, right? You can see right here, we got 500 to 1, right? And obviously, this is going to be great, especially for those platinum accounts, okay? And that is what it is all about, you guys, okay? That's critical. All right. Now, if we go back to that About Us section, I want you guys to understand, if we go right here and just kind of scroll down, you guys need to understand that whenever it comes to this platform, they have great support, right? They have great quality, and they even have fast KYC. Technically, let's say 24/7 support, considering, some markets are closed on the weekend. But I want you guys to understand, we have fast professional assistance. Okay, they do have live chats, email, phone, or website, right? Everything's right here. They are KYC secure, okay, and they are compliant, right? So secure and compliant onboarding. So whenever it comes to IFEX Capital, you guys, it ensures fast and encrypted KYC verification with what is known as global AML compliance for safe and transparent trading, okay? And I also want you guys to understand, speaking of trading, as stated, we kind of briefly mentioned this before, but you guys, the execution speed, lightning fast, literally in just 0.04 seconds. This reduces slippage and delivers accurate trade entries. And if we go back to the main part, you guys need to understand we have platforms, okay? So they do have what is known as the web trader, and they also have the mobile app, okay? So technically with the mobile app, you're going to be able to trade anytime, anywhere, with the IFEX Capital app, okay? And you can actually manage orders on the go, all right? You can get free access to tools, assets, market reports. Obviously, this can all be done through, say, the fully functional mobile platform, okay? This can all be done right here in one place, you guys, okay? So it's available for free, obviously, on the Apple Store, and we have Google Play. It syncs with the desktop for seamless experiences, okay? Which is great, all right? And once again, you guys, they are licensed. If we go up here to legal, right? I want you guys to understand we got legal documents. So you guys can actually dive down into this. Once again, we got the KYC, we have the AML policy, but I also want you guys to understand whenever it comes to this, you guys, they are licensed by the Financial Services Commission, okay? So also known as the FSC. And I want you guys to understand, they do have their license number as well, okay? Which is very important, okay? And then once again, we got the AML, right? KYC, as we briefly mentioned, right? They are compliant. And this adheres to anti-money laundering and obviously the Know Your Customer protocols, all right, which is actually really cool. So if you actually go back, right, you guys can see right here, we got silver, gold, the platinum account, and VIP, okay? And then we even have an Islamic trading account. But I want you guys to understand, these 4 different accounts, the silver, gold, platform, and VIP, plus the Islamic accounts, these are all tailored to suit different trading styles and preferences, all right? So I want you guys to understand, they've even updated the base currencies. They got Euro, USD, CHF. They're the only account currencies that are offered, all right? And you guys, as mentioned, we're talking about advanced trading software. So whenever it comes to IFEX Capital, you guys, it offers a cutting-edge trading platform accessible from any device with a stable internet connection, right? So go check it out. Don't miss out. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to, be sure to check out the links. They are going to be down below in that description, right down below. Not only that, you guys can definitely leave a comment and tell me, what do you think? Are you going to be trying it out? Are you going to be making a small deposit? It's literally easy and simple, as you guys already saw. Not only that, you guys, top of the line. All right, so smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button. We will see you in the next video.